Have you experienced the situation where you sit in your car, start it, and suddenly hear a clicking noise somewhere underneath the dashboard? Couldn't figure out what was it until I realized that it's somehow connected with the HVAC system. So I decided to connect diagnostics to the car and check the advanced measuring values of different temperature flaps, or all of the flaps, and I realized that the left temperature flap actual value is kind of deviating from the right one, and the clicking sound occurs. So I opened the manual, searched for the left actuator for temperature flap, located its location, which is seen here on the screen, and started investigating how to remove it with the Climatronic system. I realized that you need to remove the knee airbag and remove some other things as well, which are in the way, and to be honest, I wasn't keen on removing the airbag, so I tried to figure out an easier way how to remove the actuator without removing the knee airbag. I took a look at the exact location of the actuator and realized that it's kind of reachable, not very much space, but still. You just need to unscrew 2 screws and remove the plug from the connector. Just in case, I decided to double check whether this is the actual flap which is making the noise. And it is. For the job you need a T20 Torx and the connector removal tool. Yeah, from my expression you can see that it wasn't an easy task to do. Well, yes, after half an hour I decided to give up and find a new way how to make that work. So I attached the Torx to the flat key and tried reaching the actuator in a more kind of pleasant way. Well, it wasn't perfect, but it worked a bit better, I would say. Finally, I was able to free the actuator, and now it's only the process of removing the plug. Just in case, I decided to compare the old and the new actuator, and I saw that the new one doesn't have a gear wheel in it. Other than that, they looked identical, so I tried to remove the gear wheel, which, as you can see, is not a really easy task. Opening the actuator is not a necessary step, but I was trying to figure out how to remove the gear wheel, so for me it was necessary. I realized that the gear is held by 2 clips from the inside of the actuator, which I managed to unclip. Attaching the gear to the new actuator is as easy as just pushing it in, and now let's install the new actuator. While installing the new actuator, you have to keep in mind that you need to make the gears align, and you can see that it's kind of a small cutout in the flap side of the system, and you need to align them properly. The new actuator is installed and it's now testing time. Let's see if it moves. And it does move. Great. Now to the lower side, and it moves to the other side as well. Perfect. Now after the successful repair, you can enjoy finally the silence in your car. This was the repair tutorial about left temperature flap actuator. But in the same way, you can change the other actuators as well. I'm not sure how easy it will be to replace the actuators located deeper in the dashboard, but I guess you will find a way. But at least now you know how to diagnose the problem and locate which particular actuator is making the clicking noise. Thanks again for watching the video. I hope that you will get some useful information from it and finally enjoy the silence in your car.